AI-driven personalized marketing. AI-driven personalized marketing represents a paradigm shift in how brands connect with their customers. It is about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to craft highly individualized marketing experiences. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, AI algorithms gain a deep understanding of individual preferences, needs, behaviors, and even the context in which they interact with your brand. This enables marketers to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time and through the preferred channel. This approach moves beyond basic segmentation to create truly bespoke experiences across all touchpoints, from website content and email campaigns to social media interactions, mobile app notifications, and even in-store experiences. It is about creating a seamless and cohesive customer journey where every interaction feels relevant, timely, and valuable. AI-driven personalization is the key to unlocking hyper-personalization at scale, where every customer feels like they are being treated as an individual. The benefits of AI-driven personalization extend far beyond simply improving marketing metrics. By delivering more relevant and engaging experiences, it significantly increases customer engagement and fosters deeper connections with your brand. Personalized messages and offers are more likely to resonate with customers, leading to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Personalized interactions demonstrate that you value your customers as individuals, fostering stronger customer relationships and increasing loyalty. AI enables more efficient and effective use of marketing budgets, ensuring that every message reaches the right audience and delivers maximum impact, resulting in a better return on investment. AI-powered personalization can be scaled to reach large audiences, making it a viable option for businesses of all sizes. It also automates many tasks, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. AI provides a deeper understanding of individual customer needs and preferences, allowing marketers to anticipate and fulfill those needs proactively. In today's competitive landscape, this level of personalization can be a significant differentiator and a source of competitive advantage. When customers feel understood and valued, their satisfaction increases, leading to positive word-of-mouth referrals and brand advocacy. A reputation for providing personalized experiences enhances your brand image and builds trust with customers. Ultimately, all of these benefits contribute to increased revenue and business growth. AI enables personalized marketing at scale through a combination of advanced technologies and capabilities. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of customer data from various sources, including website traffic, social media activity, purchase history, CRM systems, mobile app usage, customer service interactions, and even offline interactions, to uncover hidden patterns and insights about individual customer preferences. AI can predict future customer behavior, such as purchase intent, churn risk, or likelihood to respond to a particular offer, allowing marketers to proactively address customer needs and personalize offers. AI can generate personalized content, such as product recommendations, email subject lines, website copy, social media posts, and even dynamic pricing, tailored to individual customer interests and contexts. AI can automate various aspects of marketing campaigns, such as email delivery, social media posting, ad retargeting, and chatbot interactions, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy and creative development. AI can analyze campaign performance in real time and make adjustments to optimize results, ensuring that messages are always relevant and effective. NLP allows AI to understand and respond to human language, enabling chatbots, personalized search results, and sentiment analysis. ML algorithms allow AI systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time, enabling more accurate predictions and more effective personalization. Deep learning, a subset of ML, uses artificial neural networks to analyze even more complex data and uncover deeper insights. Computer vision allows AI to see and interpret images, enabling applications like visual product search and personalized product recommendations based on visual preferences. Hyper-personalization raises important ethical concerns that businesses must address proactively to build and maintain customer trust. Implement robust security measures to protect customer data and be transparent about how it is being collected, stored, and used. This includes data encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Obtain explicit consent from customers before using their data for personalization purposes. Clearly communicate how their data will be used and provide easy-to-understand privacy policies. Ensure that AI algorithms are free from bias and do not discriminate against certain groups of customers. Regularly audit algorithms and use diverse datasets to mitigate bias. Use personalization to enhance the customer experience and provide value, not to manipulate or coerce customers into making purchases. Focus on providing genuine value and respecting customer autonomy. Give customers control over their data and the level of personalization they receive, allowing them to opt out or adjust their preferences. Provide clear and accessible options for managing data and personalization settings. Be transparent about data ownership and provide customers with clear mechanisms to access, modify, or delete their data. Empower customers to manage their own data. Establish clear lines of accountability for AI-driven personalization and ensure that the decision-making processes of AI algorithms are explainable and transparent. This helps build trust and allows for better oversight. Implementing hyper-personalization requires a strategic approach that involves several key steps. First, gather and integrate customer data from all available sources, using tools like a customer data platform. Next, select an AI platform that meets your needs and offers capabilities like predictive analytics and natural language processing. Then, segment your audience into meaningful groups based on shared characteristics and behaviors. Use AI to create personalized content, such as product recommendations and tailored messages, and optimize the delivery of this content across different channels. Continuously test and refine your strategies using various methods like A/B testing. Crucially, address ethical considerations such as data privacy and bias, and ensure compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR. And lastly, it is important to foster a customer-centric culture within your organization and manage the change process effectively to ensure successful implementation. To summarize, AI is revolutionizing marketing by enabling a level of personalization that was previously unattainable. By leveraging AI's capabilities in data analysis, predictive modeling, content generation, and campaign automation, businesses can create highly individualized experiences that resonate with customers on a deeper level, leading to increased engagement, improved conversion rates, enhanced customer loyalty, and a stronger competitive advantage. However, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding AI-driven personalization to ensure responsible use of technology and protect customer data and privacy. By striking a balance between personalization and ethical practices, businesses can unlock the full potential of AI in marketing, build stronger, more meaningful customer relationships, and drive sustainable business growth.